In accounting, capitalization is the process of recording a cost as an asset rather than an immediate expense. When you capitalize a cost, you are saying this purchase provides value for more than 1 year. The primary rule is simple. If the item lasts longer than 1 year, it is typically capitalized. Expenses reduce your profit right now, while capitalized assets are spread out over their entire useful life. Big investments like machinery are capitalized, but day-to-day operational costs are just normal business expenses. Expensing a large purchase makes profit look lower today, while capitalization smooths that impact over future years. This helps investors see the true long-term value of a company's spending rather than just one-time bills. Understanding capitalization helps you read financial statements more clearly. Like and subscribe for more finance basics.